The Marcy Compact Dumbbell Weight Rack DBR 56 is a fantastic option for home gyms looking to organize weights without losing space. Priced around $39.99, the rack is crafted from heavy-duty 14-gauge steel with a rugged powder-coated finish, ensuring durability and resistance to scratches. This slim and compact design measures about 26.75 long, 8.25 wide, and 20.5 high, and can hold up to 400 pounds of dumbbell weight, accommodating both neoprene and cast iron dumbbells. Users love the space-saving build that fits well even in tighter areas, keeping weights tidy and off the floor with easy accessibility. With a strong 4.4 out of 5 stars from over 16,000 customer ratings and thousands sold monthly, it's a trusted rack praised for its sturdy construction and excellent value. Pros include its affordability, solid build, compatibility with various dumbbell types, and compact footprint. Some users note assembly is required but straightforward, while others wish it held more dumbbells for bigger collections. Overall, the Marcy DBR 56 is an affordable, reliable, and practical rack perfect for anyone aiming to keep their home gym neat and organized. And remember, we share by links in the description box.